and I'm presenting the polymath Archimedes of Syracuse. Archimedes was born in Syracuse, Sicily, 287 BC. He's the son of an astronomer named Phidias. Archimedes studied in Alexandria, Egypt, under the successors of the Greek mathematician Euclid. Upon returning to Syracuse, Archimedes was on intimate terms with King Heron II. The king would task Archimedes with various problems, and he would solve them. One of the most notable ones was the golden crown problem, which led to the discovery of Archimedes' principle. This is also the same situation where he coined the phrase Eureka. King Heron came to Archimedes after hearing rumors that the goldsmith tricked him by mixing silver in the crown he made for the king and kept some of the gold for himself. He wanted to know the truth before punishing the goldsmith in all fairness. The crown was intended to be a sacred offering, so Archimedes could not damage the crown in any way. Deep in thought, Archimedes walked to the public baths for his daily bath. Still thinking about the golden crown, he went through the rituals of cleansing and washing, and stepped into a tub of cool water for his final dip. As he began to lower himself into the water in the tub began to spill out over the sides. Curious Archimedes continued to slowly lower himself into the water, and he noticed that the more his body sank into the water, the more water ran out over the sides of the tub. He realized he found the solution to Heron's problem. He was so excited by his discovery that he jumped out of the tub at once and ran all the way home without remembering to put his clothes on and shouting Eureka. What Archimedes had found was a method for measuring the volume of an irregularly shaped object by water displacement. Archimedes established himself as a philosopher, astronomer, physicist, mathematician, engineer, inventor, and weapons designer. He is also established as the leading scientist and mathematician of the classical age. Archimedes combined experiments with mathematical theory. Archimedes is also famous for Archimedes' screw, hydrostatics, laws of levers, infinitesimals. Because of Archimedes' process of experimental tinkering, he didn't write down a lot of his findings. Also, a lot of his work was destroyed over the years, but these works survived. Equilibrium of planes, measurements of circles, floating bodies, ostomation, method of mechanical theorem, Archimedes' cattle problem, sand reckoner, spirals, cuboids and spheroids, spheres and cylinders, and quadrature of the parabola. And these are my references. Thank you.